Hi guys, welcome to our DIY series. Today we are going to show you guys how to make liquid soap using the easiest method. We will make this liquid soap or liquid detergent using just two major ingredients. The ingredient we are going to be using is the sodium lauryl sulfate, also known as SLS, and sodium sulfate. So we'll use these two ingredients to produce this wonderful liquid soap. So let's get started. These are the ingredients and their measurements: SLS 500 grams and sodium sulfate 250 grams. For the color and the fragrance, those ones are optional. You can choose to add them or not to add them. So let's see how this liquid soap will come out with just two ingredients: the sodium lauryl sulfate, also known as SLS, and the sodium sulfate. Don't forget, for the sodium lauryl sulfate we are making use of 500 grams. For the sodium sulfate we are making use of 250 grams. These chemicals can be purchased at chemical stores. Just go to chemical shops or chemical stores in your area and purchase these chemicals. They are not hard to find. If you don't know where to purchase chemicals in your region or in your location, purchase my ebook. My ebook has addresses on where chemicals are sold in different parts of Nigeria. So if you need this ebook, you can reach me on the phone number I'll be displaying on the screen of this video. Chat me up on WhatsApp to purchase my ebook. There's a lot of things that are there. There's a lot of recipe and formulation on how to make liquid soap, the laundry soap, the bar soap, the organic soap. There's a lot you learn there. The body cream. So I have soaked my SLS and my sodium sulfate for 45 minutes, and this is the result. This is my SLS. I soaked it for 45 minutes. Then I also soaked my sodium sulfate for also 45 minutes. I make sure that everything has dissolved. Now I'm going to mix them together. I'll mix the both mixtures together and stir it. Also, I do run online classes on WhatsApp, so if you need this training, check this video description for the link to join the class. Or if you have difficulty joining through the link, you can reach me through this phone number I have displayed on the screen of this video. On WhatsApp, chat me up on WhatsApp to join the class. We run a lot of trainings there. After 24 hours, this is the result of our mixture. It produces a very transparent liquid soap. You can use this liquid soap at this point like this. Just add your fragrance and use it like this. Or if you want it to have a nice color, you can choose to add color at this point also. But you can also use it like this. There is no problem. It's good and it's nice and it will lather very well. Then I organize private online classes just in case you need an online class where we can be on a video call, a WhatsApp video call. I'll be teaching you on how to produce soap, the body cream, the powder detergent, the liquid soap, the shower gel, the hair shampoo, the hair conditioner, the bleach, the Dettol, the organic soap, the laundry soap. Anything you want to learn, we can be on a video call on a private class. You will not join a group training. You will just be between me and you. I'll be teaching you on a video call. If you need this type of training, do well by reaching me on this phone number I have displayed here to join the training. You see how lovely this soap looks like? It's made with just two ingredients, the SLS and the sodium sulfate. Very lovely, very thick. You can choose to adjust it by adding more water. You can choose to adjust the thickness by adding more water. But if you want to use it this way, no problem. But this looks very beautiful. And also don't forget I sell ebooks. My ebook has information on where to purchase chemicals. It has information on how to produce soap, body cream, liquid soap, powder detergent, hair shampoo, the Dettol, the bleach. There's a lot you will learn there. The shower gel, the organic soap. There's so many things you will learn from my ebook. How to produce things like toothpaste, shoe polish. So many things you will learn. So many, trust me. You can see how lovely this liquid soap is. Very thick, very nice. This thing leathers very well. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Very important. After 24 hours, you can see I left it for 24 hours again. You can see how this looks like. It became very clear and extremely clear. This looks like the popular morning fresh we have in the market. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to drop your questions at the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please share this video. Please subscribe and like. See this lovely liquid soap. It looks like the popular morning fresh in the market. Very beautiful and very transparent. Goodbye and see you all next time. And thanks for watching my video on how to make liquid soap with just 2 ingredients. SLS, which is known as sodium lauryl sulfate, and sodium sulfate. Just 2 chemicals. And you've produced a wonderful liquid soap. We also sell table cutters for cutting soap. This is adjustable soap cutter. It's very affordable. Reach me on WhatsApp to purchase it. This is another cutter we are selling of different types. If you need it, reach me on WhatsApp to purchase it. We have so many soap equipment. If you are a soap maker, you need equipment, reach me on WhatsApp to purchase them. This is a soap stamp. If you need a soap stamp, reach us on WhatsApp to purchase your soap stamp. Alright, thank you all for coming over to my channel once again. Goodbye and see you all next time.